Hello, hello. I'm gonna try to do this in one take. We'll see. Sorry I haven't been updating a whole lot. Since we sold our house, there's a mad rush to get this place somewhat livable. That includes like bathroom, bedroom, which is behind the camera. So I can show you what we've gotten done, which is a lot. A big thing that I've been working on is mud. For the past like 2 weeks, I've been finishing the drywall in this room, which is laundry, this room, which is the bath, and then the bedroom. So that's about 500 square feet of floor space, 3 rooms of drywall mudding in the ceiling, and we've got all this painted. Got the mud done, got the paint on. Well, I need to touch up some spot. That's what the blue tape is. And then this is warm enough to live in. You know, the floor is still subfloor. But we'll get to the floor eventually. And the bathroom. I have a video on this, on installing the shower stuff. I'll do that at a later date when I have time to edit stuff, probably next month. This isn't the final color in the bathroom or the laundry. Wife wants something other than white, and I like white, so I don't know. But real big thing, and that's why there's a hose on the floor. This is just going down into the water closet drain, and it's hooked up to the laundry. But they just put in our water meter like a half hour ago. And I have everything here done. So let's see what it does. All right, well, that just pressurized that. Just this little bit of it. I hear a leak. All right, here's the meter pit down the road. I had to shut the water off to fix that leak. And I'm gonna turn back on. You know, there's the house up there. This isn't really attached right now. And there's our meter. There she goes. All right, super exciting. It's all pressurized. I got 80, looks like 81 PSI, or 82, which is a little bit higher than like the maximum, but I'm not gonna bother with a regulator. This is the fitting was leaking, these threads here. Now it's all chowdered up from the pipe clamp and the channel locks. But originally I had the pipe compound on there, and that leaked. So I took the pipe, I undid it, cleaned it, and then put Teflon tape on it, and now it doesn't leak. The top one there still has pipe joint compound on it. I'll keep an eye on it. If I have to replace it, I can. It's not hard. I was lucky enough with this, which I had used to pressurize that black pipe while I was installing it in a trench. Luckily enough, it fit in these, so I was able to just use it as is. Everything's all wet right now because of condensation, so it'll be hard to tell. I'll have to let it all warm up. Yeah, because see, it's dripping right there off of the handle, and I think that's all condensation, because everything just feels cold and wet. I might need to insulate these pipes just so they don't condensate. And the handle on this valve was leaking too. I had to tighten up this nut here. Hopefully that stops that. I thought it was condensation. It was an actual leak. Again, that one's not my fault. All right, I've got the water tank full of water. Took surprisingly little amount of time because, 3/4 inch fill lines. So I have the breaker on downstairs. Just double checking that there's no leaks there. I don't see anything new. It's damp, but again, that's condensation. Everything's damp. And it's on. I don't hear anything yet. Typically don't make any noise though.